Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you for joining me for this video. Today I want to share with you a couple of things which I picked in my recent trip to Milan. So I did a shopping vlog, and actually mostly the purpose of the trip was making a shopping vlog and having a look around, and there were just one or two things which I really thought I wanted to get. So basically it will be really quick mini luxury haul. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Natalia and I am self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, especially luxury designer handbags, but also non-designer fashion and all the fun stuff we women enjoy, please consider joining my Anonymous Shopaholic Club down below so we stay in this addiction together. So today I want to share with you two accessories which I picked in Milan. If you watched my vlog, you knew that I got a little something in Louis Vuitton. It was something that I maybe didn't plan, but at the end of the day it was like, oh, I want to get something. And this thing was in my wish list, should I say, or something like a dream list, that I was like, yeah, I would like to get it one day, but I don't know, it's not worth it, maybe it's not the most, sensible purchase and all these things. But at that time, at the end of the day, I was like, nah, let me get something for myself. Because the second item, actually, I didn't buy it that day. I was probably too tired, but I will tell you in a bit. So let me share with you the little Louis Vuitton thing. Let's get the ribbon. Yeah. So in this little box, we have a little pouch, a little different pouch or dust bag than usually, because it's accessory. Yes, it's for sure accessory. Okay, let's just take it out. So I got myself this little Louis Vuitton Monogram bracelet. Yes, that's why I think it's a kind of silly purchase. I'm showing it upside down, but so this is how it looks. And I tried 2 or 3 of them. I will show you pictures of those that I was thinking of. One of them, the black one with the LV, I really did like, but they had bigger size and it was too big. It was not really for me. So the other one, this one I did like, but I think I like this one more. I like that flower here, like that, the monogram bit, and actually you can move it, but I think it's supposed to be here in the middle of that other monogram. I hope that that's visible. So I got myself that little something, from Louis Vuitton from that day. Very fancy, expensive souvenirs, let's be honest. But yeah, I really like it. And my rule, one life, leave it, buy the thing, don't worry. So this thing, many people would say, is a silly purchase. You shouldn't buy, and waste your money on this kind of, jewelry from designer brands, which are extremely expensive. By the way, that was 270 euro. So it's quite a lot of money for this little piece of canvas with leather actually on the back and a little bit of, metal, which is not gold, obviously. A lot of money for it, but, and I am not a fan, and you probably noticed I don't buy designer custom jewelry, and I not even buy the fine jewelry from designers really. But this one is a little bit different for me because it's a canvas, so I think it should be more durable and it should be a little bit more resistant. There are these bits of hardware, and if this side will go off from my sweat and my oils, then I think it's okay. I think here it shouldn't be that bad that I will wear it 2 weeks and I can see that it's going off. And by the way, if you want to see the details, so it has the number, and it has that it was made in Spain, and what is else? Some other codes on the other side, and it has this black leather. It's not reversible. Some of them, those bracelets are reversible, but this one is not. And I was actually debating on getting the reversible because it's like, you can wear it 2 sides and you can have more versatility. But I did like the flower so much that yeah, I have to go for it. And this is my other gold bracelet. Actually, it looks very good together. I really like it. So what do you think? What do you think? I think it's so adorable, and it can be actually worn with other, like, gold or silver jewelry, like mostly gold. I think it will match gold better. So that's the little gift that I picked for myself that day. And the second item is from Celine. So that's my first Celine purchase. And if you have watched the vlog, you probably know, or maybe remember, that I said that I maybe think about a belt from Celine or YSL. And actually, I indeed tried the Celine belt in 2 stores, and I was thinking about it, but I don't know, I think I got tired enough that I couldn't really decide if I want and which size I want. And yeah, I guess I was just basically very tired, and I thought, no, I'm not going to buy the belt. And then the next day, I had some time before I had to go to the airport. Like I had to go to the airport, I think at 2 p.m. So I had like, you know, morning. Like I woke up and like, no, I'm going to the store. I need to get that belt. So that's what happened. And of course, there is no secret with the unboxing because we already know what is inside. So I got a Celine Triomphe belt. I think I'm hopefully pronouncing it well. So it came packaged nicely, no ribbons, if you know me and my obsession about ribbons. And it has a very high quality dust bag, I would say. And here is the belt. So that's how the belt looks. It's not that exciting, I guess. Everybody knows how the belt looks like. It has this, you know, Celine Triomphe logo. I guess it's called logo. Actually, it has even the sticker on the back. I removed this one by, like, you know, it went off when I touched it. So the first side doesn't have sticker anymore. But apparently on the second side, there is still sticker. Didn't even know it was there. So I eventually went for 85. And also I was resistant for the 80 because it was always from the display. And I kind of didn't want the display one because, you know, it might be scratched. Even though it didn't seem to be scratched. You know, I don't know. I think I had a bad day, basically. I didn't want this, I didn't want that. And the next day I just went and bought it. And it's looks like this box calf leather. I don't know if it's box calf leather. And I was worried that maybe it's very scratchy, but actually it's not. So I, like, you know, tried a little bit, like, to see, touch it, you know, delicate, see if, you know, how is the leather behaving. And it seems like it's not scratchy. The reason why I was thinking about belts is because I think during summer I start to feel the need for a belt to belt my dresses. And I have a Gucci one, which is rather chunky. I would say the logo is chunky, and I think it didn't maybe go the way with the dresses I wanted it to go, basically. And I was thinking, you know, looking, and before I looked at Dior, I looked at Louis Vuitton in the past, and none of them were really, you know, they didn't, you know, tick for me. Like it was not that. And then I started to, at some point, think about that Celine Triomphe belt, and I think it's a very good idea because, I mean, for those of us who know, then you know it's a Celine belt. But it's not very clearly branded, which doesn't make me, you know, clash with other logos. And I mean, I am not, like, you know, I am all for logos. I am a, you know, logo hole, like Cassie says. But in this case, I didn't want to have like a huge LV or something that is very clearly branded. I guess for the purpose that sometimes when I go to work or some places with some people, which I don't want them to know that I'm wearing very expensive stuff. I think maybe for that reason I didn't want. And also if I wear, like, you know, sneakers which are Dior, and then I wear some, you know, other Monogram or, you know, logos, that the belt, you know, logo, like, you know, not too much logo, you know, we have to still stay, you know, chic and stylish enough not to really like put all the logos that you have at home, right? So that's probably the reason why I wanted this Celine belt, and I think it looks very cute and very nice with the dresses. I went for the smaller size, of course, as you probably noticed, like 2 centimeters, 20 millimeters belt. They of course had the bigger one, but that was not what I wanted for the dresses and for, like, you know, the kind of summer look. Maybe I will get the bigger one at some point if I enjoy this one, and then I have some need for a thicker, bigger belt. But for now, this will be my belt for my dresses, which I've been like missing really the whole summer. So that's all for this mini haul. Let me know what is your favorite belt, which one you recommend if I want to buy some more belts. Recently, I have been craving some belts. I guess the summer and the dresses that I needed to belt were, you know, making me to crave the belts. So also looking for your suggestions, maybe not necessarily very highly branded, but also branded, like, you know, there are different occasions and different purposes, and while the collection, my collection, is growing, then there will be more room for different type of belts or accessories and bags. So please let me know what is your favorite designer belt. As usual, thank you for watching, thank you for spending some time with me. I will see you in my next video, and until next time, take care and don't forget to enjoy your life. Bye guys.